So good morning, YouTube. It's your boy Daniel back here with another video. It's like, what is it, Tuesday. It's around 9 o'clock in the morning. I just got done having a little bit of pasta for the breakfast, a little bit of coffee, and today we are going to be installing some new TST Industry flush mount halo blinkers on the R7. Still has its blanket on, still sleeping. I'm about to wake her up and start taking her apart piece by piece, and we'll change out the stock OEM blinkers, like they kind of eat, like they stick out, and we'll go ahead and put these TST Industries halo blinkers on there. So let's go ahead and get to it. I have been riding my bike quite a bit. I took it to Los Angeles Crest Mountains Highway like on Sunday after church, and I met up with, there's a lot of bikers that go up there, so I'm used to riding by myself, and there's a lot of bikers up there. You know, you get to see, chat with people, see a bunch of different bikes, see the way they customize it, and it's like real good riding, you know. So anyways, let's go ahead and get this blanket off her, get her all nice and ready, and start taking her apart piece by piece, and install these TST Industries blinkers. So to install the blinkers, it's really easy. All you need is, you don't need like any major tools. You just need a 4mm X key and a Phillips screwdriver, and like a little pry tool to take off all the pry tabs. But it's fairly simple. So let's get to it. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take off this bearing right here. Has the Allen key and three pry tabs. Boom, boom, boom. And then this. Let's go ahead and do that. Pull off the plastics, go ahead and put them there so they don't get damaged or anything like that. This comes off fairly easy. All you do is just push forward a little bit and then back it out, just like that. And you have this will be covered. After that, we're gonna take this one off. Tab here that locks into. Comes off real easy. We'll go ahead and put that. Now we're gonna go ahead and take off this fairing here. And there's a couple of push tabs here. There's one here. Take off this key, and then these 4 Allen keys, and then maybe something up here. Like this one here, and then they got these. Right here, these Phillips tabs. We'll go ahead and take those off, and then take off this fairing right here. Alright, so I got these two off. I just need to get this last one. This last one right here. Aha, got it. So we're all done with those three. Now we should be able to remove this fairing here, you want to push down maybe? Or just like squeeze it, push down. Yeah, like that. And you get your connector here. Got your connector. And you're gonna want to unplug this. Taking off this one, I'm gonna go ahead and take off this fairing as well. So it's gonna be this and that. There's also a little Phillips snapper right there. I may just be able to take it off all in one. Sheesh. Everything's set right here. We'll go ahead and open these bad boys up real quick. Let's see what we got here. Wow. So this is what it comes with. You got 2 O-ring type bushers. You have this looks like, I don't know exactly what they're called. You have your lights, nice lights in here, and then you have your brackets to hold, I'm sure to hold them in. So that's the whole TST package right here. This is what everything that comes in that box right there, and then of course this is our old. It's gonna be our old one. So that's how I ended up doing it. I mean, it's got a little bit of play for each wire. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add this to the whole spiel. But it looks like I should have fed it through first. So let me go ahead and do that. Dang, this thing looks trippy without any of the fenders on it. We'll go ahead, plug it in mildly, real quick, see how it works. And let's see, so we'll go ahead. Okay, so we've got it plugged in, everything's good. We'll go ahead, lights on. I hope you could see it. I mean, it's on, but it's daytime out. Got the boom, and I believe these are the smoked ones too, so that's probably why it's not as bright as I thought. I mean, they don't look smoked, but so now we'll go ahead and just start putting everything back together. Everything's connected good. I like the way they fit. They don't look bad. With the washer or the O-ring, there is a little bit of a gap, just a tiny bit of a gap, but that's okay. You know, if I didn't want that, I could just take the O-ring off. But let's go ahead and put her back together now. TST-Halo lights. You can see the difference. We're gonna go ahead and take take this one off next, right there. But yeah, it looked pretty great. Stoked. Alright, so I did the right side. It's exactly how it is on the right side, on the left side. Ambidextrous. You do everything correctly. You should be able to put everything back on and do the right side just as you did the left side. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll give you guys an update when everything looks good. And look at this. Goodbye big fat ear blinkers, because these, I mean, they're okay. I like them. They're growing on me a little bit, but you know, I want that slim design. TST, they're coming through. And also I want to get the TST fender integrated tail lights, but they're all sold out, so I've been waiting on those. But yeah, I'll give you an update when I'm done with the left side, and then I'll give you a little video. All right, stay tuned.